So we proceed. Question 7 says 7a, given that 17 plus m plus 27 plus dash 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 are consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression, find the arithmetic mean being represented by m in this sequence, in this series. So now arithmetic mean is the middle term when three consecutive numbers are arranged. An arithmetic mean is a middle term of the three consecutive terms. As you can see, we have got three terms, but the middle one will represent the arithmetic mean. So in paper 1, all the time they bring arithmetic mean. Paper 2, they bring geometric mean. So 7a, so what you do, you write m is equal to, you add the first term plus the third one divided by 2. It's like finding the mid number. So 17 plus 27, 44 over 2. So 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 4, 2, 2 into 4, 2, 1 into 22, it is 22. So the mean is 22. Question B, for the sequence 11, 13, 15, and so on and so forth, find the formula for the nth term. So now, this is paper 1 and this is arithmetic progression. The formula to use when finding the next term or the nth term is this one. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So now, you have to know what those letters mean. So this T means term, like this one is term 1, this one is term 2, this one is term 3, because numbers in a sequence are called terms. Now, this T means term, N it means number of terms, N means number of terms, A means the first term, which is term 1, N it will still mean the number of terms, and the D it means common difference. So we need to collect data here for us to be able to fill in the formula. So what is your first term? The first term is 11, term 1. How many terms? We don't know. This is why they are saying find the formula for the nth term. So why there's n, we won't put anything, because if n was known, they're going to say find the 5th term, 10th term, 8th term, 19th term, but it is quiet. So why there's n, even you don't put anything. So what about D, common difference? You subtract term 2 minus term 1. If you want, you can subtract term 3 minus term 2. If you had term 4, you are going to subtract still term 4 minus term 3. So term 2 in this case is 13 minus 11. So the answer will be a 2. It means we need to replace in the formula. So where there's n, we won't put anything. As you can see, a is 11 plus n, we won't put anything, and d is 2. So Tn is equal to, are you able to work out what is in the brackets? You can't. These are not like terms, so you simply multiply 2 times n, 2n, 2 times negative 1, negative 2. Tn is equal to, collect like terms, 11 and 2 are like terms, 11 and negative 2, so write them like this, then 2n remains. So Tn is equal to 11 minus 2, that is 9, plus 2n. This is the formula for the nth term. there are times when they don't mention formula, but as long as they have written nth term without a number here, just know that it also means formula, you see. So take note. Question 8. Question 8a. The transpose of a matrix A is -1, 4, 5. Find the matrix A. So the transpose of matrix A, you write like that, is -1, 4, 5. These are the entries. So now you are aware that going like this, we have one row here and we've got two columns. So what we do, we swap the row, write it as a column. Write the row as a column. So how many rows do we have? We have one. So write it as a column. So matrix A will mean -1, 4, 5. So this is the matrix. And if it was like this, then they say write the transpose, you would have changed these three rows. Now you would have written them as like that. You interchange. As you can see, this row became the column on its own, the row became the column, the row became the column. So it's vice versa. Then the next question, next question is B. Given that we have 1, 2, 3, 1x5 is equal to 24. Given that 1, 2, 3 times 1x5 is equal to 24. Find the value of x. So here there is no plus, it means this is the multiplication. So how do we multiply? When you get the row, it must go with the column. This row, since there is a one row, let it also go with this single column. We have one column, right? Then equate to 24. So we do it. So 1 times 1, 1. We add, that's what we do in between. We add 2 times x, 2x, plus 3 times 5, 15, should be equal to 24. So this is an equation you need to solve. So 1 plus 15, this is 16. 1 plus 15, you can add 16 plus 2x is equal to 24. So remain with 2x on one side as our target, because we want to find the value of x. So 16 must cross. When 16 crosses, it will become, it was positive here, it will become minus 16. What is 24 minus 16? You get 8. So remain with x, make x the subject, you divide both sides with a 2. This they go. X is equal to 2 into 8, that is a 4. This is the value of x.